the best bits of 2018. We started off in New Zealand, we saw dolphins and we went in a cave. And I learned to snorkel for the first time. And we saw lots of fishies. Mum went for a 48-kilometre bike ride with her uncle, Nana and Papa in New Zealand.
We're away. We're coming into Moriwa. We are 40 kilometres into the ride and we're going strong.
In 2018 I went on a trapeze. We went to Melbourne to visit Nana, Papa, Andrea and Auntie Sarah. I walked nearly 10 kilometres. I got over my favourite birds. We went to Mornington Peninsula and saw spotted rays and had lots of enjoyment. The waves are getting big.
Maybe got it. Maybe got it.
I was brave and I went down this really tall slide. And I was extra brave and I done a really high ropes course up to level 3.
You got it! You got it! Go, go, go! Woohoo!
Dad finally got his drift car going and he also went drag racing one time.
Here we go! Here's the fight for ladies and gentlemen!
We went on a Royal Caribbean cruise. There was arcades, kids club, Halloween party, golf, mini golf I mean, not like where you hit the ball as far as you can. My favourite island was Mystery Island because you could see lots of fishies and we also saw like a whole big herd of them. School and we went to Isle of Pine, Mystery Island, Vanuatu, New Caledonia. We tried new things on board like ice skating. And I was brave and I went to kids club all by myself, yeah, yeah. ago. Wait, no, that was yesterday. I was super brave to go on a really, really big slide and it was super dark inside of it. This is so fun! Yeah, that was so fun. Did you see me? I was like, working in my dress car, no.